Hey bakers! Today we are making this soft and fluffy cupcake that melts in your mouth. Let's get baking. To your mixing bowl, add 2 room temperature eggs. You are going to whisk this for about 10 seconds just so that it begins to foam up. Then add granulated sugar, and then we are going to whisk this until it becomes light in color, fluffy and creamy. So I'm adding mine in 2 separate bits, okay? The ingredients and the exact measurements will be in the description box for you to check that also. A warm welcome to you if you are new to our channel. You can join us by subscribing. Thank you. To my returning subscribers, God richly bless you. Now this is the consistency we are going for. I'm going to go ahead and add vanilla extract and some vegetable oil, and I'll whisk this until it's nice and fully combined. Once it's nice and well combined, we'll sift in our flour. You can use all-purpose flour for this. You can also use cake flour. Sifting helps to avoid unwanted particles and also makes the cake light and fluffy. I'm adding some milk powder, salt and baking powder, and water. You can replace the water and the milk powder with liquid milk. Then with my whisk, I'm going to fold this in gently until it comes together. Then I'll continue with my spatula just to make sure everything is nice and well combined and there are no idle flour particles anywhere. Alright, so by this time your oven should be preheating. Get your cupcake tin and line them with cupcake papers. Then you can use your cup measure. This is the 1/4 cup measure. Then you fill the cupcake papers, not fully, but 3/4 the quantity, so that when the cakes are baking, they don't boil or spill over. Once I'm done, I'll tap it to remove excess air bubbles and bake this in my preheated oven until nice and golden brown. Look at how beautiful the cupcakes came out. That was amazing. So let them cool on a cooling rack until it gets to room temperature. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this recipe. Very easy to put together and requires simple ingredients, and I tell you, your cakes are going to be a hit in your home every time. Light and fluffy always. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.